So kita akan belajar RDBMS yang mana yang itu adalah untuk
Madam, sorry madam. A bit
tak apa
slow.
Zafran. You ada message tadi kan? Okay, tak apa. Okay, so
Madam.
okay. So kita akan belajar topik 2 tu, kita akan belajar lebih kepada relational database management system. So katakan kita ada 10 table kan untuk manage data tersebut dalam row dengan kolom 10 table. So macam mana kaitan di antara 10 table tu? Apa kaitan dia? Okay, so itu yang kita akan belajar dalam topik 2. Kita tak pergi lagi kepada software dia lagi tau. Tapi kita akan lebih kurang macam software tu. Macam MySQL punya software yang kita akan belajar topik 2. Okay, so saya akan introduce kepada kamu apa yang kamu akan buat dalam topik 4. Macam mana kita nak create table, apa dia punya entity, apa dia punya tuple, cardinality, semua itu akan ada. Row, tuple cardinality itu adalah row, dia punya column. Okay, so dia ada nama dia sendirilah dalam relational database management system tu. Okay, so hari ni kita akan lihat soalan yang saya bagi. Okay, so kita akan lihat satu persatu lah. Bukan semualah, saya akan just go through. Yang ini siapa punya? Kalau tak silap, saya rasa yang ini Britney punya ke? Aku tak pasti siapa punya ni. Sebab nama tak keluar tadi. Okay. So, okay. Yang ini Britney punya. Okay. So, kita lihat soalan satu, aktiviti satu ni, dia tanya apa tu database. Okay. So, dia ada, boleh nampak kan kelas? So, ini jawapan. Kalau you rasa jawapan you salah, you boleh tulis balik lah. Okay, so saya dah check jawapan ni, betul. A centralized, ini siapa punya pula? Oh, yang ini dia tak tulis nama. Yang ini Britney punya, I dah check tadi. Okay, a centralized database system, a centralized and a structured set of collection of data. Itu adalah database. Okay, so you kena tahu dia adalah set of data stored in a computer. You cakap ada keyword tu pun you boleh dapat full mark lah. Saya akan bagi kamu full mark sebenarnya. Okay, so you tengok. Database is a centralized and structured set of collection of data stored on a computer system. Okay, so yang itu adalah betul. So yang ini bukan saya nak bagi markah ya, tak ada ya, saya nak kamu discuss saja. So every end of the chapter you akan ada dia punya ni. Okay. You tengok yang ni I tak pasti siapa, tapi database is a centralized and structured collection of data stored on a computer. Okay, kita tengok Darshini punya kerja pula. A database is a set of collection which is used to store. Okay, so all of you able to answer it. Okay, most of you can able to answer this one. And I look at the second one. Database is a place to store a large amount of data. Database is a place to store. Okay, in where? You must add in computer system. Okay, it's not wrong, but you must have computer system because database is where we stored in a computer system. This part is correct. Okay, and we see Rishikesan. Yang ini is shared. Rishikesan, we see what is the answer. A collection of related data, a shared collection of logical related data designed to meet the information needs of organization. So I think I prefer this answer, either this answer stored in a computer system. Okay, Rishikesan, your collection of logical related data. So database is not yet logical related data yet. It is just a collection of data, stored in a computer system. Okay, that's all. That's simple it will be. No marking. This one I'm not going to give you mark. It's just an exercise for you. Okay, but never mind. It's a good try. Data logically order. Okay, both of you copy. Who's this? Shailesh? Or you took from the same resources? No. Okay, different. Not copying. Okay, good. But ordered and stored in. Okay, correct. Correct. This one. Okay, fine. Suhasan, what have you given here? Database is a centralized structured collection of data stored in. Okay, so all these are accepted. So we go to the second question, that is database management system. Okay, database management system is a collection of programs. Okay, you have program here, it's acceptable. You have program here, is acceptable, that manages the database structure. You see the difference between database and database management system is database is a collection of data stored in a computer system. Meanwhile, database management system is a system, uh, database is a programs that manages the database. Okay, you already stored in the computer, so how it is managed? It is managed by a program. Okay, a collection of programs. Okay, correct. Okay, we see here. Software, management of software, correct also. Collection of programs, also correct. Okay, a software create, correct. Okay, so also it's a software. You just write it simple. Also, I accept it. Database management program. It's a program that manages the database structure. That's it. Okay. So we go to the 1B. Okay, this one you would have taken from internet. Correct or not? Okay, open source. Is it correct? Mozilla Firefox. Is it an open source software? But they want DBMS open source software. Is Mozilla Firefox is a DBMS? Is it a DBMS software? Is it a DBMS software? Class. Rishigesan, you never write this answer also. Oh, you read it here. Licensed software, open source. Okay. You wrote it down here. Okay, MySQL, Firebird, Android. Android. Android is of open source, but is it a database software? Hmm? Okay, look at my answer. I also have answer here. Class, are you all there?
Yes.
Yes. So, is this correct, Firefox? It's a search engine. This is a search engine. It is not a software. Okay, remind that, remember that. VLC media player is just a media player. Okay, MySQL, yes. Ubuntu is an operating system. Okay, so this is not accepted. Only one answer is correct to this group. Okay, this one, MySQL is correct. SQLite is correct. I'm not sure about Qubrit and Cassandra. Can you all check for me? Is it a DBMS database management system? Is it? Can you all check it out for me in Google now? Qubrit and Cassandra. The one that I have here is MySQL, InfoBright.
Yes.
Okay. So can you check for me? Maybe it might be, I'm not sure, but these three I'm sure. Mozilla, you all know. VLC player, you all know. It's only for media player. I'm not asking for free open base, open source, I'm asking for DBMS open source. Okay. So we look at Darshini, also wrong. This one also wrong. This one I'm not sure. You have to check for me, library office. Apache web server. Okay, Apache web server. Okay, it is a MySQL. Okay, Apache. Okay, so you can check it out also. MySQL. Okay, everyone has written here Qubrit. Is Qubrit open source? Anyone found out?
Yes.
Is it? It's a free one, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about Cassandra?
Same also.
Same, sure.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we go to Rishigeshan's one. Altibase, I'm not sure. This one correct, this one correct. Altibase, is it also a free open source software?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, you check ready? Yes, huh? Okay, good. So we go to, what is Firebird? MySQL is correct. Fire Android is wrong. Android, and this is Handphone operating system. You read about operating system Sam lepas kan? Okay, you ada iOS, you ada Android untuk phone kan? Kemudian untuk laptop kita ada Ubuntu, kita ada Linux, kita ada Microsoft, okay? Microsoft Office adalah operating system. So yang ini adalah operating system, bukan database software ya. So this is also wrong, okay? So Firebird correct or not? What is Firebird? Is it a DBMS software? Can you check out for me? Who did this? Shailesh, Umaira and Grace, can you check out for me whether Firebird is a database software or not? Okay, let me know in a while. Okay, here it has given me, Suhasan's group has given me MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB. MariaDB, MySQL is the one that we are going to use. Okay, one more, Ingrance, InfoBright. So the answer is also I can give you InfoBright. What? Ingress, okay? Ingress, okay? So, can I get the answer for this? Is Firebird?
Yes.
Yes.
Open source SQL
Okay.
database system. Yeah.
Okay. Good, good. Grace, is it?
Yes, madam.
Okay, good. Okay, now we are going to the license one. Okay? Okay. Same thing here. Windra is what? Skype is what? Adobe Reader is what? All these are not related. Microsoft Office, yes, it is a licensed software, but what we use is Microsoft Access. Then only it is considered correct. Okay? And then we go here. I don't have the answer. I check my answer also. Okay, we see Oracle. Okay, Oracle database. What answer do I have here? I have Oracle database, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2, Microsoft Access. Okay, so let me check. Let me check here. I'm not sure all these are licensed software or not. Did you all check? Brittany, did your group check? Is this licensed software?
I check.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, then I add in. So I hope you have done. You said this is a licensed one, right? Okay, good. So you can keep it also. And then license software here. Microsoft Windows, yeah, license, but we are not talking about operating system. We are talking about database management system license software. So the one is SS, Spotify, SQLite, Adobe, all these are not related. This is not a database, okay? So we are going into the second one here, IBM DB, Microsoft SQL Server, DB Visualizer, and Teradata. Is it correct? Who is this? Irshad? Irshad kan? Irshad group you kan?
Yes, madam.
Okay, Teradata dengan DB Visualizer ni betul ke?
Betul, madam.
Betul. Dah check ya? License software ya?
Yes.
Betul lah? Irsyad? Siapa tadi? Irsyad dengan siapa?
Yes, madam.
Correct
Yes.
ah? Okay.
Correct.
So we go and see Rishigeshan's group. Okay, they have put here filmmaker. Is filmmaker correct? I don't see any of this. And I saw Teradata just now. Okay, Teradata is correct. They said. Ada Abbas Rishigeshan? Where did you check?
In Google.
Correct. License
Correct.
software. Okay, you all can do double check again. Okay. Filmmaker? Is Filmmaker a license software? for DBMS, database management system, and Redis. Can you check on these two? Rishigation, check and tell me in a while. I go to the next one. Swan, Amazon RDS, Redis, Robo, Mongo, MongoDB. Okay, I'm not sure. Is Amazon RDS is included as a DBMS license software? You must Google for DBMS license software. Is it DBMS license software? I think yes. I think yes, because when I was Googling, I saw Amazon, they have their own DBMS software. Okay. MongoDB. Whose group is this? Sailesh, is it?
Yes, madam.
The same group. Is it correct? Please answer when I'm talking about your group. Correct?
Redis is yes, madam.
Redis is yes. Okay, here also got Redis, so yes.
Uh,
How about MongoDB and Robo Mongo?
yes, madam, yes.
Check, license
Yeah,
one,
I'm checking, madam.
Okay, check and let me know. Okay, the last one is who's that in this group?
This now Rishikesh on the file. It's file maker, madam. It's one of it also.
File maker. Okay, okay. Wait, let me erase. So correct, all this?
Yeah, correct, madam.
Okay. Because I never check all that because you are here, you have to check for me. Please please participate, Thanks, Grace. Okay.
Welcome, madam.
Okay. So here, ni entah apa benda ni. Siapa ni? Ni apa ni? Database Performance Analyzer. Apa ni? DB Visualizer. Manage Engine Application Manager. Oracle. Okay, Oracle is accepted. Yang lagi tiga ni apa benda? Betul ke? Database Performance Analyzer, adakah software tu? DB Visualizer adakah? Manage Engine Application Manager adakah?
God, madam.
Got tak?
I mean, in this website, there's no God.
Okay, this one DB Visualizer.
God, madam.
This one Database Performance Analyzer.
That one I'm not sure, lah, madam.
I don't think so. Okay. This one Manage Engine Application Manager ni pun ada. Are you sure this one got tak?
Yeah, madam, God.
Okay. So there are so many available. There are so many available. So you can just go and Google and find out. But make sure not like this. Please. Not Vindra, I don't want. Skype, I don't want. Adapt Reader, don't want. The question is very clear. This is the common DBMS used in database management. Okay. So don't use all that. If you want to use Microsoft Access. That is the license one. Okay. You see VLC media player lah, Ubuntu lah, semua masuk hantam je. Kemudian soalan yang aktiviti 1C ni pula dia tanya, what does ANSI Spark stands for? Saya rasa saya dah bagi tahu semua orang ya. Saya dah bagi tahu semua orang, ANSI is the American National Standard Institute Standard Planning and Requirement Committee yang bagi architecture kepada three-tier architecture tersebut. Okay? Three-tier architecture. Saya rasa yang lain pun semua betul lah. Ya, sebab yang ini saya dah bagi dah untuk semua. Okay, so American National Standard. Saya bincang ni, that doesn't mean everything is coming out. No, I'm just, because after this, I'm not going to look at it anymore. Okay, you know or not? I'm not going to look at it anymore. One seat. Oh yeah, some of you got this one, some of you don't have this one. Okay, this one don't have, this one no need. This one no need, we go to this one. One more class, one more student, I haven't, okay. This group. You tak letak dalam PDF susah lah Kavina dengan Suyuf. I tak marking pun you punya. Okay. Lagi satu, Suhasan. Wait, for some time I think I'm done a bit. Later I'll mark yours. Okay, write the correct scheme for the explanation given. So, user view. When you see user view, you know, you just tengok yang ini. User view, end user. When you see end user view, you know it is a external level. That is one key point already. You see, user database describe the part of the database that a particular user. So when you see user, you know it's the external level. It hides the rest of the database. So for the user, it hides the rest of the database. Okay, and this scheme concern is storage space allocation for data and indexes, record description for storage, record placement, data compression and data encryption technique. Okay, this is the physical level. Okay, so we see the others. Okay, this is external. This is the internal. Okay, so you see here also, correct? You see this is the external. So you concern about storage. Anything to do about storage, it will be internal level. Okay, so you see storage space. So this is the keyword, storage space. So when storage space, it will be physical level or internal level. Both is accepted. Okay. Okay, we see, I think all these are correct, conceptual, internal. Okay, all these are correct. Okay, internal level, and last one is conceptual. Okay, so last one you can see it's a logical or conceptual level. Okay, because you see community view of data. DBA is the one who will be under the conceptual level. So they are the one who let you user and the storage can be connected. Okay, so DBA. So that is the keyword here. Hides the detail of physical storage. Describe what data is stored in database. Okay, describes what data is stored in database and relationship among the data. So this is what you're going to learn from topic 2. This part, conceptual, logical level. Topic 2 is about this. Okay, so we look at here. I think all these are correct. Okay, so I just mark through. Okay, Darshini, external. Okay, these two is wrong. Okay, and this one is correct. I know some of you, when you saw scheme concern, okay, so that is wrong. Okay, this is opposite. Ishad, I tengok this is correct. Tolong bagi I PDF. Kalau you tak bagi I PDF, memang I tak boleh nak marking betul. Ada yang tadi bagi I Word, ada yang kalau Word I kena save. I tak mau save ya. Okay. So I kena save, lepas tu tukar balik kepada tu. External, internal, conceptual. Okay, correct. All these are correct. So ada yang bagi sampai I tak boleh nak buka. Yang itu I pun tak tahu yang mana. So jangan bagi I dalam Word. Susah I nak buat. Okay, all these are correct. And Suhasan, okay, external, conceptual, and internal physics. Okay, correct. Okay, all these are correct. Okay, so we are, okay. Kavina and this one. Okay. Computerized, this is wrong, Kavina, and this one, this Kavina and Suyov, this must be a computer, it's a program, so change that one later. MySQL, SQLite DB, Altibus, okay, Terabyte, SolarWind database performance analyzer. So you have given me 2 only. This one correct, this one wrong, conceptual and internal wrong, this one is correct. Okay, one more group I cannot open at all was this one. Sharifah, I tak tahu dalam format apa. You tengok, I tak boleh nak buka, Alia. So lain kali save dalam, mungkin I kena buka dalam Paint ke, I pun tak tahu. Adobe ke? Okay, I cuba. Okay, so I tak pasti dia format apa. Oh, Adobe. Okay. Okay, so you dah bagi Adobe. Okay, tak apa. Nanti I akan tengok balik you punya. Tapi, Mozilla, Linux, yang ini pun ada masalah. You check balik. Sharifah, Alia semua. Okay, database manipulate, retrieve data that are used to store. Okay, when system also not so promising. Okay, so we go next. We go next question. That is client server. Okay, we are talking about only client server. Database server architecture, we don't talk about it because even in your theory, we don't have that. But if you have answers, then it's okay. Client server architecture, you can go back to your notes. Okay, you can go back to your notes. You can see here what is the client server. So you need to understand it. And a database server is a software which runs on the server computer, client server. Okay, client server architecture of the computer network in which many clients request and receive service from centralized server. Client computer provide an interface to allow a computer user to request service of a server. Okay, so you see client computer provides an interface to allow a computer to request services and to display results. Okay, this is acceptable. Okay, so we go back here again. Database and database are stored in computer known as a server, which is a program to provide database services to the, okay, this is very comprehensive. Okay, this is what I want actually. Okay, you think about database and DBMS are stored in a computer known as a server. It's not a computer known as a server, it's stored in the server. It's not a computer stored in a server, which is a program to provide database services to the database client. Okay, that's all. Client server architecture network in which each computer process network is either a client or server. Okay, can also, you all see the notes lah, later also you see the notes here. You see all this theory part are suitable for small and medium. Present the user interface. Okay, yes, taken directly from the notes. Okay, Darshini, what you have given me. Okay, also from the notes. Present the user interface and process manages user interface and runs application. Okay, correct. Client server is distributed application structure that partitions task or workload between the providers and the resources of service called servers. Okay, can, it's accepted. It's accepted. Whatever a client get the info from the server is accepted. Okay, so okay, now we are going to the file server. So file server, any client can get service from any server, but have to request over the network. File server, okay, we see here. File server actually it is not in our syllabus also. We don't have file server. We don't have database server. Okay, so just leave it. So we will go to three-tier architecture. Okay, so we see what is three-tier. This one no need. It is a client server architecture in which the functional process logic data access computer data storage and user interface are developed and maintained as independent modules. Okay, we see here. Architecture as the tree. Okay. Okay. This is the correct answer. To separate the user application physical tree as a software application that organize application into three logical. Okay. So file server no need, three-tier middleware was built between the user and interface client. Okay. All the answers are mostly accepted lah. Okay, Rishikesan, what you have given? This one copy bula-bula daripada internet ni. Sampai ini pun dia dah letak. A three-tier architecture is a client architecture in which functional process maintained as an independent module and separate platform. Okay, so this one. Okay, mostly I have the same answer. Don't copy directly from the internet. You have the notes, you can copy from the notes actually. Okay, so we go to last one. Last, no. Okay, here I've checked this one, this answer. Okay, server database. Oracle is server database. Is it correct? Okay. server. Oracle is server, Microsoft Access is desktop. Server, desktop. Can you see that, class? Can you? Oracle is server, Microsoft is desktop. What else? Paradox. Paradox is desktop. Paradox is desktop. Desktop. Apa ni? Irsyad. Kategori. Irsyad. Irsyad dengan
Yes, madam.
Iman, yang ini kena bagi tahu server ataupun desktop. Faham tak?
I faham.
Okay? You tengok ni ya. Yang ni pula bagi apa pula? Okay, server, desktop, desktop. Okay, MySQL. Kita tengok MySQL, server, Lotus, desktop. So di mana? Yang ini hanya digunakan untuk desktop. Kalau server dia akan gunakan untuk server. Faham tak? Iman? Nur Iman dengan Irsyad, faham tak? Okay, so nanti betulkanlah. So Fox Pro adalah desktop, DB2 adalah server, IBM adalah server, FilmMaker. Oh, tadi FilmMaker desktop base. Okay. So yang ini adalah jawapan yang betul ya. Oracle. Oracle, Microsoft Access, server, desktop, Paradox, desktop. So kita tengok balik. SQL server, desktop, desktop, server, server, desktop. Server, desktop, desktop, server, server, desktop. Okay, yang ini you betulkan balik. Server. Okay. Aha, siapa ni? Geng mana ni? Shailesh? Shailesh, why are you
Yes,
so
miss.
quiet? Your group, right? Grace?
Yes, miss.
What happened? Dreaming. Who did this part? Sure got one
Me,
person
me.
did this. Who?
Me.
You were dreaming, is it? When I was telling you, go and correct this one. Okay. And Sailesh group. Okay, correct. He was not dreaming. Okay. And I have to look back here. You all have to, Apple iOS is wrong. Microsoft Access is correct. Adobe is wrong. This one is wrong. This is correct. External, internal, conceptual, correct. This is all correct. Okay, this is okay, acceptable. Okay, correct. Okay, server, desktop. Okay, also correct. All this are correct. In group of two, discuss and list the contribution of database technology to the, okay, so one more group. I'm looking at this group. Okay. This group, I don't know what's the answer. Suyuh dengan ni, I tak tahu apa ni dedicated Nakavina. I tak tahu apa jawapan-jawapan ni. At least this one is acceptable, presentation, application and data, but I don't understand what is all this, okay? So you can explain. Okay, this one also is wrong. Okay, so we are going back again to this. Final one, the last one before your quiz starts. Okay, in group discuss. Okay, correct. This is how I wanted it to be in Lazada, Shopee, ShipStation, where contribution of data technology to the society. Okay, so it is to the society. So businesses, Google Workspace, yes, also, because it provide you your website. Okay, so what else? Okay, Lazada, Shopee, okay, all these are to business to the society, correct? I accept that. Darshini, group, okay. Payroll and scheduling, correct? Also, I accept all this, improve the HR management efficiency of inventory tracking, also acceptable. Centralized system, better management, human resource, okay, centralized system, also accepted. Reducing data redundancy, sharing data, data integrity. This is not what I want. Okay, this is not what I want. This is more like theory. The list of contribution. Okay, since in business, okay, data, I'm not so sure whether this is can be accepted or not. This is the benefit overall. Okay, cannot, because this is overall benefit of, this is overall benefit of DBMS. Okay, not for only business. Overall, this is what they have. Okay, that is wrong. Okay, Microsoft, IBM, Intel, Amazon. I don't know how it could provide in society. Okay, customer relation manager, inventory. Okay, so you have to tell me what are they. Okay, so in education, ED puzzle, Google Classroom, Quizy. Okay, good. This is a very good thing. Facebook, education, where is it? Where's your education? Just haywire already. I don't know where's your education actually. Darshini. This is a very good one. Okay, SPMP, CDOS. Okay. Moodoo, lot of things. Manage student information, minimize paperwork, simplify attendance management, easy access to all. Okay, so this one, backup and recovery. You go and write generating school calendar and event, allow efficient management of an assignment. Okay, this one accepted. Okay, this one accepted. This one is overall contribution, not for education. Also this one. Okay, Quizy Cedars. Okay, good. This is not acceptable. Okay, social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Insta. TikTok. Cover health, monitor employee performance. MCare, Mediline. MCare and Mediline, I'm not so sure what is that. Okay, how it could help. Okay, management, social work, research, counseling, I'm not sure how it works. Counseling, how it works. Management, research, it is. Support, how, I'm not sure. Creating an organized working environment, never and better ways to manage data, allowing categories and structure of available, not acceptable. MPSP, KWSP, Women's Aid Organization, hospitals, yes, hospital, MPSP, KWSP. Women Aid Organization, I don't know how it helps. Education, I'm not so sure about this. Okay, so you can, like social works, you can, Facebook, it is not social work actually. Yeah, I wrongly went and marked. It is social media, not social work. All these comes under social media. Social works comes under maybe the database for cancer organization. Okay, library. Okay, hospitals. Okay, all this comes under social work. NGOs, okay, where they have database for maybe for UNICEF kids. Okay, so all this comes under social work, where you contribute to the society. So I think you all are okay, and we will be starting the quiz at 3:35. Is it okay, class? Okay.
Okay, madam.
Yes.
So are you all ready for the quiz section? Are you all okay with the answers just now? Are you all okay with the answers just now? So,
Okay, madam.
so how you can go back and correct, right? I no need to send back to you, right? Or you want me to send back to you? I put it in a Google Drive and send it back to you. Okay.
Okay, madam.
I'll create a Google Drive where I'll give back all your quiz. I'll give you your quiz marks later. I won't give you a quiz paper. It's very difficult for me to download every and each paper, but I'll discuss the answer and give you your marks in a Google Drive. I'll create a Google Drive where you can download your marks. Okay. And then even the exercise activity also, I will do that. Okay, if you do not have anything, we will stop now and you can go and do your quiz in a while because I have to go back and do the setting. Wait. I have to adjust the timing first. You can open your CDOS. You can open your CDOS. Let me check my timing. So I'm setting 3:40 lah. 3:40 until 4 o'clock. I give you 20 minutes actually. Okay.
3:40 until what? When?
4 o'clock. You want or not?
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
So 3:40 until 4. I give you, wait. If anything, you message me, I'll be here only. I'm in front of the laptop only. Okay. Let me urgent first. Let me take the picture of the class for today's class. Nanti diorang minta bukti pula I ada buat kelas ke tak buat ni. Okay. So next week, Tuesday, we will start. Semua dah ambil nota tak dalam SIDOS? Topik 2 tu. Dah ambil ke belum? Dah letak tak dalam general tu? Kalau you buka SIDOS ni, you dah boleh ambil terus. So, orang boleh keluar lah. Orang boleh keluar ya. So, ambil nota topik 2 dalam SIDOS ya. Kalau tak ada, bagi tahu I. Okay, I bagi balik. I hantar dalam WhatsApp. Okay? So, okay, bye. See you all. Good luck for your quiz. You all